Hi, my name is Mark Joel L. De La Cruz, and I just want a few minutes of your time to explain why hiring me as your civil engineer will greatly benefit your company. I was a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering at Mapua Institute of Technology. I graduated as summa cum laude with a final grade of 1.0, earned my license, and ranked top 1 in the Civil Engineering Board exam. In the last 5 years of working in Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, I gained experiences in engineering through the subdisciplines of construction and structural base. Along with my technical skills, my past experience has also taught me how to be a great collaborative team player. My relationship building and communication skills have been praised by my prior employers. While my education and experiences would add value to your company when combine it with my passion, dedication, and commitment to my civil engineering works, I believe that I provide the total package. I guarantee that you won't regret making the decision to hire me. You may contact me at 0905-105-8348 or email me at markjoeldelacruz@yahoo.com. I would love the opportunity to know more about the specific needs of your company and to discuss my qualifications in greater detail. Thank you for viewing my resume.